Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will revise chapter 1, that is chemical reactions and equations. Okay. So a complete chemical equation represents the reactants, products and their physical states symbolically. So we have learned with this example, okay, that Mg plus O2, we have burned the magnesium ribbon in presence of oxygen, then we got MgO powder form. Okay. So here oxygens are 2 and so Mg will become 2. That we will see in the next point. Okay. So reactions, and here sorry guys, a chemical equation is balanced so that the number of atoms of each type involved in a chemical reactions are the same on the reactant and product sides of the equation. So that is the chemical balancing. So that also you have seen with the example of iron with in presence of H2O. Okay, that is water, moisture, it gives what? Fe3O4 plus H2 gas. Okay, so we have to balance this. The first step was to make the boxes. So we made boxes, then it's the highest number of, sorry guys for the notification, highest number of atoms we have to take. Okay, oxygen is 4, then we have to make 4 here. Oxygen became 4, but hydrogen are totally 4 to the 8, so that we have to make in the product side, that is here also 4, it become 4 to the 8. The next step is iron are 3 here, so that we have to write here. So it is a balanced equation, 3 iron, 4 to the 8 hydrogen, 4 to the 8 hydrogen, and 4 oxygen atoms, and here 4 oxygen. So this is a balanced equation. So now equations must always be balanced, so that we made the thing. In next we learned about the types of reactions. Total there are 5 types of reaction. Combination reaction first. So what is combination reaction? Combination reactions are in which the two or more substances combine. Two or more substances combine to form a new single substance. Okay, that is our product. So how we have seen that, which example you have taken combination reaction CaO, which when CaO is put with water, okay, we have poured water here. So after that we got calcium hydroxide here. Okay, this is the our equation. So calcium oxide with water gives calcium hydroxide. This is the combination reaction. Here 2 or more products, okay, sorry, 2 or more reactants gives the single product. So दो से ज़्यादा reactant एक ही सिंगल प्रोडक्ट दे रहा है, उसको बोलते हैं कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. ओके, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. सो नेक्स्ट डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शंस. डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शंस आर द अपोजिट टू कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, सिंगल रिएक्टेंट रहता है, 2 और मोर प्रोडक्ट देता है. सो इन डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन सिंगल सब्सटेंस डीकम्पोज टू गिव 2 और मोर सब्सटेंसेस. सो हियर with example you have learned. What example you have taken? You have taken ferrous sulfate, okay, FeSO4. When it is heated, it gives ferric oxide with SO2 plus SO3. Okay, these are gaseous. Okay, so it liberates gases. So this example we have seen. Okay, single given 2 or more products. This is a decomposition when it is heated. Okay, you have to remember decomposition here. Either we have to heat or we have to supply electricity, heat, electricity or light. That must be there. Okay, that we have seen with different example with electricity. For electricity, water, if you put electrodes, you will get hydrogen and oxygen gases. Okay, that also we have seen. Okay, and for this sunlight, when AgCl, silver chloride, is kept under sunlight, it gives Ag plus Cl2 gas. Okay, this is example also we have seen. Then reactions in which the heat is given along with the products are called exothermic reaction. So that in combination reaction, when this calcium oxide is kept with water, it gives calcium hydroxide. That reaction gives heat also. That is the example of exothermic. And opposite of that means heat is absorbed. When in reaction in which the energy is absorbed is known as endothermic. when energy is given in the form of heat, it is exothermic, and energy is absorbed, it is endothermic. Okay, now come to the next types of reaction, that is displacement reaction. Okay, sorry guys, slides are going here and there. Displacement reaction, what happens when element displaces another element from its compound. So एक एलिमेंट क्या करेगा, दूसरे एलिमेंट को डिस्प्लेस करेगा, मतलब हटाएगा. उसकी एग्जांपल हम लोग लिया था कॉपर सल्फेट विथ आयरन. ओके, सो ये क्या होगा, हमको मिलेगा फेरस सल्फेट और उसके साथ कॉपर वापस आ जाएगा. सो हियर व्हाट हैपन्स, दिस आयरन कंबाइन विथ सल्फेट. ओके, डिवाइड दिस, कंबाइन विथ सल्फेट एंड रिलीज दिस. ओके, कॉपर सल्फेट को अलग करो, कॉपर बना दो और इसको इसके साथ मिला दो. सो दिस इज अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट. व्हाट हैपन्स, द आयरन displaces copper here. Okay, this is the displacement reaction. So next step is double displacement reaction. Okay, in double displacement reaction what happens, two different atoms or groups of atoms, two different or group of atoms are exchanged in double displacement reaction. Here what happens, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, वो लोग एक्सचेंज करेगा. जैसा इसका एग्जांपल लेंगे हम, क्या किया था हमने, दो सॉल्यूशन को मिक्स किया था ना, दैट इज सोडियम सल्फेट और बेरियम क्लोराइड को हमने क्या किया था, मिक्स किया था. दो लिक्विड्स को हमको मिला, क्या मिला, बेरियम सल्फेट और NaCl. इसको बैलेंस करना है तो यहाँ पे 2 लगा लो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे Cl 2 है, ये 2 है. सो ये मिल गया. ये क्या होता है, प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म में रहता है. सॉरी गाइस, प्रेसिपिटेट मतलब क्या, व्हाट इज precipitation? It is nothing but insoluble salts, the salts which cannot be soluble with water. Okay, these are this is called precipitation. So here यहाँ पे क्या होता है, बेरियम सल्फेट जो है ना, वो प्रेसिपिटेट बोलने से क्या है, जैसा कि दिखता है हमको पाउडर फॉर्म में जमा रहता है, बारीक बारीक पाउडर फॉर्म में. दो हमको ट्रांसपेरेंट सॉल्यूशन को मिला है तो हमको पाउडर फॉर्म मिला, वो बेरियम सल्फेट और सोडियम क्लोराइड का सॉल्यूशन मिल जाता है. सो यहाँ पे क्या, अभी वो इसमें हम बेसिकली क्या देख रहे हैं, डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट देख रहे हैं. डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट मतलब क्या हो गया, सोडियम क्या हो गया, इसके साथ मिल गया, ये इसके साथ मिल गया. बस इसको सिंपल याद रखना है, फर्स्ट वाला लास्ट के साथ और लास्ट वाला इधर इसके फर्स्ट के साथ रिएक्टेंट में. सो उसको मिलकर क्या हो रहा है, प्रोडक्ट क्या हो रहा है, ये बेरियम सल्फेट हो गया, ये सोडियम क्लोराइड हो गया. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. Okay, so after that what you have seen, let's see here, precipitation reaction produce insoluble salts that I told you. Okay, so next fifth type of reaction is redox reaction. Okay guys, in redox reaction what happens, reactions also involve the gain or loss of oxygen or hydrogen by substances. Oxidation is the gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen, whereas reduction is loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen. So this is what is the oxidation? Oxidation is nothing but reaction in which the oxygen is what, gain. Okay, means oxidation, oxygen वो क्या कर रहा है, ले रहा है, लेना, और हाइड्रोजन देना, इट इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. रिडक्शन, रिड्यूस होना, ऑक्सीजन क्या करेगा, वो देगा और हाइड्रोजन को लेगा in terms of hydrogen. Okay, this is called reduction. Reduction reaction is nothing but reaction in which the oxygen is been given. Okay, losing the oxygen is called as reduction or gaining the oxygen is called as oxidation. So हम इसका एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. ओके गाइस, इसका एग्जाम्पल ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन का एग्जाम्पल है कॉपर ऑक्साइड विथ S2. when it is heated it gives copper plus H2O. So what happens here, see reduction और this oxidation. So क्या हो रहा है, हाइड्रोजन क्या आ रहा है, ये ऑक्सीजन को ले लिया और ये कॉपर क्या है, ये ऑक्सीजन को दे दिया. So this is reduction, this is oxidation. And when in reaction, when both is taking place, reduction as well as oxidation, it is called redox reaction. Okay, so you have seen that also. Okay guys, I have completed the revision. Kindly go through. All the best. Okay guys. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and to share guys with your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.